In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a missing folder in Outlook. Okay, first step is open up your web browser and go to outlook.live.com and sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, we'll notice on the left-hand side, we'll see our email addresses, favorites, etc. First thing what we want to do is go ahead and click on the little arrow next to your email, and then that's going to show you all your folders below. Now, next step is on top of that, we've got Home View Help. Go ahead and click on View. And now under View, look for the Layout tab. Click onto the Layout, then click onto Ribbon. And now make sure it is set to even Simplified Ribbon or Classic. I kind of look the Simplified Ribbon looks best, I reckon. And now under here, under Favorites, we want to go ahead and make sure you're going to show Favorites. And also, doesn't matter if you got pinned favorites, unpinned favorites. If you're going to hide your favorites, that's how you're going to hide some of your favorite folders. And now under that, it will say Sort Folders. We can order folders A to Z to make sure it is easy to find on the left-hand side here. So sometimes the folder is simply collapsed inside another folder. We can also use the search bar here. So Outlook got a search bar. If you know the folder name, go ahead and put the folder name in here, hit enter. And this is another good way to locate the missing folders. And also check deleted items. So come over to your email, click on deleted items, and they might be stored in here also. So basically folders can sometimes be accidentally moved as subfolders inside other folders. If you still can't find it, just check your Outlook account settings. Make sure you're connected to the correct mailbox as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video.